Power button and stay away so the airbags don't deploy in my face. What's up, what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and this is my flooded 2019 Hyundai Veloster N. If you want to see the entire rebuild project, link is going to be in the top right-hand corner. We gutted this wrecked one here to rebuild the flooded one. Check this out. Has no engine, but we do have a steering rack connected, and that is so we could turn these wheels, so we could push this thing out and wash it up, because it's absolutely disgusting. Check this out. That's nasty. All right, before we take it outside to get washed, we're gonna go ahead and replace this hatch here. That glass was completely destroyed. All right, let's get to the fun stuff. Maybe we get this thing proper today, who knows? The Veloster's back into the shop. We cleaned everything up. Check out that clean engine bay, just waiting for an engine. Inside, everything is looking really good as well. We use this product called Metal Restore. I'm gonna link them down below to remove all that surface rust, which worked really good. Now we have to start with the wiring harness, the dashboard, and who knows, maybe the engine as well. In the meantime, we're also working on the seats. We got the seat covers off. Look how nasty this flooded seat was. That's disgusting. So we're gonna be using the seat out of the wrecked one, but the foam padding we're gonna use out of the flooded one, because when the airbag deployed, that's what happened. All right, let's get some harnesses in here. finally coming together. Interior is looking really good. Got the skeleton in for the dashboard. Harness is looking pretty good. Everything is coming together. There's an airbag module there on the bottom that I need to test before we put in the center console, because it's going to be a pain in the butt to get to if it is bad. In the engine bay, we got everything pretty much hooked up, even that ABS module, brake booster, fuse box, and this is all from the wrecked one, so no electrical issues. Right now we're working on the dashboards and transferring the vents, because no matter how much you clean these things, you're still gonna get a smell coming out of them. So that's definitely a must. And yeah, the next step is going to be to put in this engine, get some juice to it so I could put my scan tool and check airbag function. Engine is in, it's looking really good. We're about to connect the battery to test the airbag system. The AC compressor did not work out like I wanted it to. We definitely need to get another one. Inside, we did put in the seats. We fixed the seats up off camera because I was busy doing something else. It's looking really good. We left the dashboard cover off, the carpet out as well, and that's because we need to check the airbag system. So if it is bad, we need to pull that airbag module out, and in order to get to the airbag module, this is pretty much what you need to do to actually get to it, which is kind of ridiculous. So the reason why I didn't record the seats is because this is what I've been doing and building out this office for this shop, because it is now rented and I got people moving in. So yeah, this is what I've been up to. It's been a lot of fun. Sarcasm, can you hear it in my voice? All right, let's connect this battery and see what we got. First things first, negative goes on first and then positive. Hold on 1 second. Airbags do not deploy. You ready? Go, put it on. Okay, that's a good sign. Airbags did not go off. Good, you got some spark, got some power. Let's step away from all the nonsense. Let's press this button. Oh, we need a key. Where's the key? Let's see if the key works. Nothing did. Let's see if the OBD, nope, the OBD port isn't working either. All right. Nothing so far, boys. Okay, be right back. Got to figure out why we got no juice. Looks like we found the problem. This ground here, this ground is toast. It broke right in the middle. You can see this. It's just wiggling, so it snapped inside. So we're not getting any connection to the engine. So let's change it out, and hopefully we got power inside. All right, let's give it another go. Everything should be good. We do have power. My little dongle here is saying we're good. Now let's press the power button and stay away so the airbags don't deploy in my face. Okay. TAC is not lighting up. It's telling me there's a security issue. Where's the key? Here we go. All right, TAC is on. All right, I want to get full ignition before I sit down in this chair. All right, sweet. It's lit up. So far, so good. Let's see what we got going on. I don't see an airbag light. Oh, it's on the bottom. Okay, airbag light is on. Now I'm gonna connect to the scan tool and be right back. All right, so we got some bad news. We have crash data recorded, replace airbag control module. But because this control module is so far deep into the dash and all of this needs to come out in order to replace it, what we're gonna do is leave it like this, pull the module, send it out to get reprogrammed, and in the meantime we're gonna put the front end together and then send it off to body so I could get this quarter panel repaired. So let's go ahead and do that. Front end is on. It's looking pretty darn good. We even got some blue coolant. Let's see if this thing fires up. I'm gonna reconnect the battery. Yeah, that's just looks bad. All right, everything's lit up. We've got keys. Keys are here. All right, we ready for this? We have no clutch, no brakes. Make sure we're neutral. Yep. Let's see, ignition right there. Here we go. Oh yeah. So I'm talking about battery light is on because alternator isn't connected and that's why it's dying. Nope, we gotta check engine light as well. Why'd you die? Fuel maybe? Yeah, Vic, I think we got a fuel issue. Yep, something's not right. I'm guessing it's the fuel pump. So we'll try this again. Well, there's your reason why it's not running. We'll go ahead and get that other tank put in and the new fuel pump, and we'll be running again. Fuel tank is in, fuel pump is in. Let's try this again, boys. All right. Neutral. There we go. And action. There we go. Check limited slip differential. Oh, this thing has a LSD. That's awesome. Okay. Everything else is looking pretty standardish. That battery light is on because we don't have an alternator connected to it because the belt is off. Everything else is pretty standard. Looking good, looking good. Got a good working engine, working headlights. That's what I'm talking about. All right, next stop, body shop.